Hi, I'm Craig Phillips. In this video, I'm putting 3C's Revive and Protect Surface Sealer to the ultimate test. I've applied it on over a dozen different items in and around my home and garden. I started with an old garden tabletop that's been exposed to the elements for over 6 years. I cleaned off all the excessive dirt from the surface, wiped it dry, and then I was ready to apply my Revive and Protect Surface Sealer. Give your bottle a good shake, and then you can start to apply your first layer to the surface with a clean dry cloth or a sponge. You'd only need to apply a small amount of solution to start seeing great results instantly. I tried it on an old clock face that was over 20 years old. Again, I wiped the painted surface until it was dry. And then once dry, I thought I'd just cover half of the clock face with the Revive and Protect to see the difference, which there was an instant result. Next up was a concrete garden flower pot that had an external masonry paint finish on the outer layer. Once cleaned, I also applied the solution to just half of the surface to see the difference. This time, it restored back to the original colour of the masonry paint. I found my old leather boxing boots that hadn't been used for over 15 years. These retired dusty boots were faded. The leather and suede had lost their original colours. Once wiped down, I applied the Revive and Protect, and it completely brought them back to life in seconds, making them look like new again. Wish I could do the same to myself. I moved on to a couple of wall ornaments. These were made from softwood and had been finished with a chalk and mineral paint, which again, 3C's Revive and Protect had remarkable results in no time. I also tried it on a UPVC windowsill. Now these aren't very old window frames, nor did I think that the sun's UV had faded the original colour. However, I did see an improved difference. Likewise with the rainwater spouts, it revived the original colours so they look brand new again. Then I turned my attention to a granite garden slab. Cleaned the dirt off the surface. Once dried, I applied a small amount of solution to just 1/2 again. This time you can see that the solution instantly enhances the original colours from the stone itself, while still protecting the surface from the elements. The same happened on a piece of slate. After it was cleaned and dried, the solution was applied to half the area, which brought back the original dark slate colouring, making it stand out proud. There's countless different porous and non-porous materials that 3C's Revive and Protect surface sealant can be used on, both indoors and outdoors. It's a dual action formula, advanced silicone-based solution that both revives natural colour and provides long-lasting protection whilst maintaining original surface texture, effectively repelling water, oil and dirt whilst offering UV resistance. It helps prevent staining and surface deterioration. So I accidentally spilled some household stainables across the surface to see how easy they wiped off the treated areas. And the results, well, they speak for themselves. Now, if you want to know more about the vast range of products the 3C stock, head straight over to their website. Don't forget, you can now purchase 3C's products directly from Sealants online, Amazon and eBay.